Welcome to the instructions video for the Flyback Converter Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you design isolated DC-DC power supplies by calculating essential parameters like duty cycle, turns ratio, peak currents, and transformer specifications for your flyback converter design. To use this calculator, start by entering your input voltage specifications, including minimum and maximum input voltages. Next, specify your desired output voltage and load current requirements. Enter the switching frequency you plan to use, typically between 50 kHz and 200 kHz. You'll also need to input your target efficiency and select whether you want continuous or discontinuous conduction mode operation. The calculator will then compute the optimal duty cycle, transformer turns ratio, primary inductance value, peak and RMS currents for both primary and secondary windings, and voltage stress on your switching components. These results help you select appropriate MOSFETs, diodes, and design your transformer. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.